Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix packet loss problems in Apex Legends. Packet loss can cause lag, stuttering, and missed actions in-game, so let's go through a few simple methods step by step that can help resolve this issue. Let's start with the first method, which is checking your game server. Sometimes packet loss isn't caused by your system or internet at all, but by the server you're connected to. The second method is to restart your computer. This might sound basic, but restarting can clear temporary system glitches, refresh your network connection, and stop background processes that might be interfering with your game. After restarting, launch Apex Legends again and see if the packet loss issue is resolved. The third method is to check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is stable and not being heavily used by other devices. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection, as wired connections are generally more stable and less prone to packet loss. You can also try restarting your modem or router to refresh your connection. Now let's move on to the fourth and final method, which is updating your network drivers. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, find Network Adapters and expand it. Right-click on your network adapter and choose Update Driver. Next, select Browse My Computer for drivers, then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Choose the recommended driver from the list, click Next, and complete the update process. You can repeat this step for any other network-related drivers if needed. Once the updates are finished, restart your computer. Hopefully, one of these methods fixes the packet loss issue in Apex Legends. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this.